Good morning, ma'am. My name is Preeti and my roll number is 5425, class 5.8. Today I present my presentation of mathematical analysis based on Jacobian and its properties. Jacobian and its property. What is Jacobian? If v are function of the independent variable x, y, then this determinant is called Jacobian of u with respect to x, y and is written as del uv divided by del xy is equal to Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Similarly, if we have three functions of x and xyz, then the Jacobian of uvw with respect to xyz is given by this determinant. Now we take an example. For example, if x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, then we have to find Jacobian of xy with respect to r theta. So we know the formula of Jacobian. Jacobian of xy with respect to r theta is given by the determinant of delta x upon delta r, delta x upon delta theta, delta y upon delta r, delta y upon del theta. Then delta x upon delta r is equal to cos theta, delta x upon delta theta is equal to minus r sin theta. Similarly, delta y upon delta r is equal to sin theta and delta y upon del theta is equal to r cos theta. The determinant is r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. If we take r common, then r cos square theta plus sin square theta, and we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, so we get the Jacobian is equal to r. Now properties of Jacobian. If u and v are function of x and y, then Jacobian of xy with respect to uv multiply Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is equal to 1. Second property, if u and v are function of r and s, where r and s are function of xy, then Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is equal to Jacobian of uv with respect to rs multiply by Jacobian of rs with respect to xy. For example, find the value of function Jacobian of uv with respect to r theta, where u is equal to x square minus y square, v is equal to 2xy and x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. To find Jacobian of uv with respect to r theta, we have to first find Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, and this is given by this determinant. After solving this, we get for Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is equal to 4r square. Similarly, now we find the Jacobian of xy with respect to r theta, and this is given by this determinant, and after solving this Jacobian, we get the value is equal to r. Now we know that the Jacobian of uv with respect to r theta is equal to Jacobian of uv with respect to xy multiplied by Jacobian of xy with respect to r theta. And here the value of this is 4r square and this is r, so we get 4r cube. Now third property, if the function uvw of the independent variable xyz are not independent, then Jacobian of uvw with respect to xyz is equal to 0. For example, verify whether the following functions are functionally dependent, and if not, find the relation between them. We have given u is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy, and v is equal to tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y. We have to find that u and u and v are functionally dependent, and if they are not functionally dependent, then we have to find the relation between them. So to check u and v are independent or dependent, we check that the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is 0 or not equal to 0. So Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is given by the determinant del u upon del x, del u upon del y, del v upon del x, and del v upon del y. Now we have given u is equal to x plus y upon 1 minus xy, and v is equal to tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y. So the du upon del u upon del x is given by this, and del u upon del y is this, del v upon del x is this, and del v upon del y is this. After solving this determinant, we get the Jacobian of u v with respect to xy is equal to 0. If Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is 0, then we say that u and v are dependent. Now we have to find relation between them. We have given v is equal to tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y. We know that tangent inverse a plus tangent inverse b is equal to tangent inverse a plus b by 1 minus ab, and x plus y by 1 minus xy is given us u. So put x plus y by 1 minus xy is equal to u. So we get a relation between u and v, that is tangent v is equal to u. Now Jacobian of implicit function. Implicit function are those function in which we have given a relation between two function. If the variable x, y, u, v are connected by implicit function f1 x, y, u, v is equal to 0. Similarly, f2 x, y, u, v is equal to 0, where u, v are implicit function of x, y. Then the Jacobian of u, v with respect to x, y is given by minus 1 square Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to x, y, and Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to u, v. For example, if x square plus y square plus u square minus v square is equal to 0 and u v plus xy is equal to 0, then we have to prove that the Jacobian of u v with respect to xy is equal to x square minus y square upon y square plus v square. So we let f1 is equal to x square plus y square minus v square, and f2 is equal to uv plus xy. Now we know the formula of Jacobian of uv with respect to xy when we have given implicit function. This is the formula for the Jacobian of implicit function. To find Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, we have to find Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to xy and Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to uv. So we find it by this. By solving this, we get that 2x square minus y square, and similarly we find the Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to uv, and we get the Jacobian is equal to 2u square plus 2v square. Now we put all these value in equation 1, and then we get Jacobian of u v with respect to xy is this. Hence proved. Thank you so much.